Tember. Tember in Kashmiri means cataract of the eyes, and it's always in plural. There are instances where timbre is very vaguely associated with blindness of eyes as well. There are multiple ways of using timbre to curse a person. Let's look at them. Paye timbre. Paye timbre is referred to the person who acts or does actions as if he or she is gone blind. Tse katse pain, which means may you be blinded. Tse katse pain. Generally, katse means partial blindness of one of the two eyes or extreme version of cataract of one of the two eyes. Timber cone colal. This is used while referring to a male and it means bloody blind. Timber coin. It's used for females and it also means bloody blind. So remember, cone is guy and coin is girl.